Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well and you all are safe at your place. Children, in our last class, we were with question answers. In this class, we'll do punctuation. All of you do this work either in your book or notebook, but you have to do in neat and clean handwriting and date. Let's start. Today, we'll do punctuation, and in your syllabus, they have given about punctuation. Each sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. कोई भी सेंटेंस कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है और फुल स्टॉप पे एंड होता है. मीन्स if you are writing any sentence, you will start with capital letter always, and after completing the sentence, at last you will put full stop. That full stop is the mark you are watching here. Okay. Then the word I is always written in capital. See, this is a sentence. It is starting with capital letter T and ending with full stop. This dot. Okay. And the word I, it is always written in capital. I am going to mark it. Ria and I. If you are saying Ria and I, then I is capital. I like to eat banana. I is capital. Always the word I is capital when you are writing a sentence. I means मैं. जहाँ कहीं भी I मैं को इंडिकेट करता है वहाँ पर आप लोग कैपिटल लिखेंगे. अब बारी आती है आज की एक्सरसाइज की. नाउ what you have to do in this, use the capital letter and full stop wherever necessary. You have 4 sentences. These बेटू या तो आप इन्हें बुक में ही कीजिए, और अगर आप कॉपी में भी कर रहे हैं तो ये सेंटेंसेस उतारने की आपको कॉपी में ज़रूरत नहीं है. बुक में कर रहे हैं तो आप नहीं उतारेंगे, आप सीधे आंसर लिखेंगे. अगर आप कॉपी में भी करना चाहते हैं तो आप ये सेंटेंसेस नहीं उतारेंगे. आप कैसे करेंगे देखिए. You will write heading punctuation, page number 14 and 15. Then put heading, use the capital letter and full stop wherever necessary. Then one by one you will do the correct sentences. See, in your book the first sentence is Neha is a pretty girl. Neha. This is the first letter of the sentence and it is small, and at last there is no full stop. So right sentence will be this. Neha is a pretty girl. See, I have colored the first one, Neha, capital, and at last full stop. Okay, now second one, I like to eat ice cream. Here is word I and here is no full stop. So what you will do, you will make this I capital and at last you will put full stop. See, like this. Second, I like to eat ice cream. I. It is capital and at last it is full stop. Then beta, third sentence, Nitin goes to the market. No full stop and no capital letter. देखो भूल जाते हैं ना ये लोग. Yes. So you will do it correct. How? See. Third, Nitin, N will be capital, goes to the market. And here at last full stop. Okay. Now fourth one, Mona likes to play in the park. no full stop. And see, Mona, M is small. So Mona, M will be capital, and here we will put full stop. So how we will do? Fourth one, Mona likes to play in the park. At last, full stop, and this sentence is starting with capital M. So these are your sentences, 4 sentences. First one, Neha is a pretty girl. At last, full stop, and it is starting with capital N. Second, I like to eat ice cream. It is starting with I, capital I, and at last we'll put full stop. Then third, Nitin goes to the market. Nitin, N will be capital, at last full stop. And fourth one, Mona likes to play in the park. Mona, M will be capital, and at last full stop. See beta, if you are doing in your classwork notebook, you will write like this. No need to note down the sentences which are wrong. Just write down punctuation, page number 14, and put heading and write the करेक्ट वन ओनली. ओके, अगर आप कॉपी में कर रहे हो तो आप ऐसे लिखोगे. आपको वो जो रॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस हैं उनको उतारने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. और अगर आप बुक में कर रहे हो तो बुक में तो ऑलरेडी आपके रॉन्ग सेंटेंस लिखे हुए हैं, और आप 1 बाय 1 ये जो स्पेस यहाँ आपको दिया हुआ है इसमें राइट सेंटेंसेस लिख दीजिए. That's all for today. All of you do the given work either in your book or notebook, but with neat and clean handwriting. See you in the next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye. Bye-bye.